Subvariant BA.2.12 is now the dominant strain in the country and makes up nearly 60% of all COVID-19 cases, driving up not only cases but hospitalizations as well. WDHN's Alex Valdez spoke with a state medical professional on why Alabamians need to remain vigilant.
Over the past couple of weeks, COVID-19 cases nationwide have been increasing, and numbers here in Alabama are starting to follow suit, which is why medical professionals want to warn the community that COVID-19 is nowhere close to being over. At this time, the state is averaging around 600 positive COVID-19 cases a day, which is up from the 100 we were seeing in previous weeks. And with gatherings from the Memorial Day weekend, experts are preparing for even more COVID-19 cases in Alabama.
Our percent positivity is right at 12%, where we were at about 2.5% at our lowest point. And our hospitalizations, we had somewhere around 50 to 60 inpatients with COVID at the low point, and we're now around 120 inpatients.
In the Wiregrass, those numbers are also increasing, with Coffee County having a COVID-19 positivity higher than the state's at 16%. Hospitalizations are also rising, with Southeast Health now treating 15 patients with the virus, the highest number of patients since March.
Due to a combination of factors of less people wearing masks, more people getting together, the waning effect of both vaccination and from immunity from normal infection with the virus.
This is why medical professionals want Alabamians to know COVID is still present in communities, and with more than half of Alabama counties either at a high or substantial risk for COVID-19, many experts believe there will never be an end to COVID-19.
You know, the goal is that we know how to treat it. We have treatments now. We know how to prevent it. We know how to keep from spreading. And our hope is that it becomes a manageable disease.
And as cases continue to increase here in Alabama, medical professionals want to remind the community the importance of knowing your own personal risk when it comes to COVID-19. Reporting in Dothan, Alex Valdez, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.